Welcome. And in this video, I want to show you the importance of understanding the difference between acid water and alkaline water. You know, water is so important to our health regimen, certainly to weight loss. And so what we don't realize is a lot of the water that we're drinking is actually acidic. Now, why is that important to know? If you have too much acid in the body, and most things that we like cause acid, like alcohol, processed food, meat, sugar, stress. What alkalizes us? Fruits, vegetables, prayer, meditation. But unfortunately, most of us are getting way too much of the acid, which causes acidosis in the body. When you have acidosis in the body, you're going to have inflammation and you're going to have all kinds of metabolic issues. So this is why this is very important as a complement to the 17-second diet, because hydration is super important. And we're very focused on releasing that excess acid. And by drinking alkaline water, that helps us do that. So first I want to just demonstrate that a lot of the water you're drinking is probably acidic and you don't know it. So before me here, we have 3 glasses. And I'm going to pour out water from these common brands. And this is called Smart Water. I'm going to test for acidity or alkalinity. If it's acidic, it will be yellow or orange. If it's neutral, it will be green. And if it's alkaline, it'll be blue. Okay? So the first one here, I'll pick this up. We're going to put 3 drops in of this catalyst that basically will tell us if the water is acidic or alkaline. So that's slightly acidic. It's a yellow greenish color right there. So this costs you about $1.50 at a convenience store. Now here is a very common brand. Pour that in. Put in 3 drops. If everyone can see that, that's yellow. That's like orange. That is not good. Most purified water, if you're buying purified water, you're thinking, oh, purified water, it's good for me. No, it's probably dead water. It's probably gone through so many filters that the water is dead and it's acidic. So you don't want that. You want water the way nature made water. Super important, okay? So this water right here, very common brand, making your acidosis worse. Here's another common brand that we're going to test and see. I'll put 4 drops in there, but anyway, that is orange, extremely acidic. So hopefully you guys can see this. All right, I held that up there so you can see these brands and what they do. Now, what I want to do is talk about this bottle that I decided to offer because I use it. I don't go anywhere without this bottle. And the reason is why the importance I put on water and hydration, right? So this bottle actually has a filter in it that'll filter water. So you can put tap water in this, and this filter will turn it into natural spring water that's alkaline and pure. Okay? And it lasts up to 100 gallons. That'll probably last the average person 6 months. So you can take this anywhere you go. You can take it to a restaurant. You can take it to the gym. Your child can take it to school. Think about this. If your child's going to school, they're drinking out of the water fountain, I bet, when they're on recess. And any school that was built prior 1987, for the most part, has lead pipes. That means heavy metals are getting into your kids' water. And you're not thinking about that, right? You're thinking, they're in school, whatever. No, you do not want them drinking the water, especially old school buildings, all right? There's all kinds of tests coming out on that and awareness. So let's test this. So basically I'm going to squeeze this in. See that? And test it. 1, 2, 3. You can see that's turning into a nice blue color. Does everyone see that? So I want to show you the comparison. Blue, alkaline, very acidic. Very acidic, neutral. This is like a green, yellowish, that's a blue. So when you're out and about, 70% of water is drank away from home. So it is super crucial that you're drinking pure alkaline water. But you'll also save money too. Think about this. If you're going to a convenience store or even buying in bulk purified water, you know, if you're running into a convenience store, it's like $1.50 for one of these. If you were to properly hydrate, you should be drinking 3 of these a day. Okay? That's $5 times 30 days. That's $150 in 1 month. This only costs $59 and it lasts for 100 gallons. Well, guess what? You just made your money back in the first month and you're getting pure alkaline water. It's a no-brainer. And I highly recommend you take advantage of the best value that we have, because we'll give you 2 of these for $99, so it brings the price down and include free shipping. Because if you have a partner or a child or somebody else that should be drinking pure water, you definitely want them drinking this. I don't go anywhere without it. So that's the demonstration I wanted to do and the education I wanted to give you. It's very important that you're hydrating properly, especially when you're doing the 17-second diet, because of the emphasis that I personally put on water, and so do most doctors out there. Most people are chronically dehydrated. They don't know it. They're simply not drinking enough water. So water, when it's alkaline, what happens in the body is it tells the body to start releasing the fatty acids that it built up around your organs. Your cellulite and all that will start to actually release when you're drinking alkaline water. Not to mention, it helps purify and hydrate your organs, especially your colon. So a lot of people that suffer from constipation, when you start drinking alkaline water, it flows. Everything flows better. It's more, your colon becomes hydrated. So because your cells are absorbing the alkaline water, they're yearning for that alkaline water, right? So if you were to muscle test this, your body would go super strong. In a later video, I'll demonstrate that to you. So that's why I wanted to share with you. Hopefully you'll take advantage of what we're offering below, and I'll see you inside the 17-second system. I look forward to it.